Morning, everybody. Welcome to Wayno's Rod House. We back at it this morning with y'all. I thank y'all for tuning in. This may be a little long video, but I hope y'all hang in there with me and don't be skipping. And please like and subscribe if you like what you see. What we got here this morning is a fairly new Shakespeare that somebody had broke. Got it in their tailgate of their truck. What we're going to do is we're going to fix that. As you can see, I got a perfect ferrule to go on this thing. And what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to give this a little bit of filing down. Just kind of smooth it off a little bit. And that's got a nice smooth edge to it right here that you can see. Next thing we're going to do to prepare this is we're going to take this eye off right here. This eye's going to come off. I'll just show you. We're going to take this eye off, so we're kind of in a hurry to do it because I got to be at church here in a little bit. We're having a big garage sale at church. It's a hunting and fishing equipment and camping equipment. And what we're doing with all that proceeds that we get from the garage sale are going to send our church kids to camp. They're going to camp in Kerrville, Texas. And what they're going to do is they're going to help go down there and spend about a week and help, excuse me, and help clean up from that last flood we had. So that's pretty awesome. So if y'all are around this part of the country, y'all come to our garage sale tomorrow. It's going to be 100 Hickory Run, Lavernia, Texas. Got a really a whole lot of nice fishing rods and camping equipment that we're going to be selling, and all that proceeds going to send our children to camp. So y'all come see us tomorrow, 100 Hickory Run, Lavernia, Texas. Wilson County Cowboy Church. So y'all come see us tomorrow. I hope we see some of y'all there. Wayno's Rod House will be there. So what we've done here was we took that eye off right there. So then we're going to take this ferrule and we're going to slide this ferrule over this piece of rod, and we're going to run it down here to about right there. And then what's going to happen from there is I'm going to epoxy this ferrule on here. And then what's going to happen is once this is epoxied and dried, I'm going to take this eye and clean it off. And I'm going to put that eye back on it right there just like that once I get it wrapped. This will be a good fix for this rod. They shut it in the tailgate. And I'll pick you up and take you down here. It's a really decent rod. But it happens. I've done it a million times. So Shakespeare, and it's still fairly new, still got the stickers on it. And so we're going to fix it up for the gentlemen. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and thank you for subscribing to Wayno's Rod House. I'm setting at 250 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm fixing to move the camera around here, so y'all bear with me. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all for getting me to 275 subscribers. I really like it, and I really enjoy it. I'm 75 years old. I live on Social Security, and this rod house helps supplement my Social Security, but I sure love fixing rods. And y'all please like and subscribe and tell me what you would like to see. And we'll make it happen. And if there's anything here that you want to know about, just please feel free to contact me and I'll explain everything to you. And if you want a one-on-one, I'll give you a one-on-one. Hey, you know what? Until then, thank you, all you lovely people, all you subscribers. I thank y'all so very much. And we will see y'all on the next one. Until then, y'all go fishing. Happy RVing. And remember, it's all about family and friends. Don't put off what you could do today. If you got a loved one, tell them you love them. If you got a buddy, tell them you love them. And hey, just keep on with life, because you never know what life's going to give you. Hey, love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to Wayno's Rod House. I love each and every one of y'all. Please like and subscribe. And hey, we'll see y'all on the next one. Until then, go fishing and happy RVing.